Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for September 25th, 2016. Hope everyone's having a great weekend so far. Let's take a quick look at how the markets finished off last week. You know, Friday, there was selling across the board. The Dow finished lower by 131 points, while the S&P 500 finished lower by 12.5, and the Nasdaq was down 33. Question is, was this just a blip in the radar? And I actually believe it was. If we go back here to the Dow and switch time frames and look at the weekly time frames, there's an incredible setup happening here after this major double bottom here. And as you know, with double bottoms, what you look for is a break of the high in between those two bottoms, and which was right here. I'll draw it in for you right here in this area. And now, not only did we trade above that, but we're retesting it successfully. This could take us not only to fresh new highs, but much higher here. And the S&P 500 here on the weekly has a head and shoulders, a reverse head and shoulders formation. There's the shoulder, the head down here, and another shoulder here. And look at that. Not only have we breached that high, we're once again retesting it and retesting it successful. Some major chart setups here on the weekly across the board on equities. Again, not only can we hit new highs, but well beyond that. And the Nasdaq has a huge bullish engulfing pattern from last week, the previous week I should say. And last week we breached those highs, so technically that trade is official and we're on the way higher. And look at this momentum behind this trade. Beautiful, exactly what you want to see. So we are on the cusp of a massive move here in equities. What we'll probably see is fresh new highs, a pretty serious move followed by an epic down move. So look out for this fall. Some pretty serious volatility ahead, I'm sure. The Russell 2000, also a beautiful formation on the weekly with strong momentum here. And let's go back to the daily and look at a few other charts. Let's look at bonds TLT on Friday. Didn't do a whole lot. They're hovered around that downsloping 20, while gold was down about 3.5 points. Crude, on the other hand, took it on the chin big time, down almost 2 points. And this one, even the longer term charts don't look very good. So a very interesting week ahead. Fall season upon us, an election year, the Fed's decision in December. I mean, there's a lot on top here. Should be very interesting, but we've got some major chart patterns, as you can see, leading the way. Now, before I let you go, I do want to make a very special announcement. It is finally time once again for our annual Super Conference event, which we have every year in Las Vegas, Nevada. This year, it will be November 19th and 20th at the Four Seasons Hotel. I think it's going to be our best conference yet. I really hope you can join us. We've got another great lineup of speakers. This is only a few of them. We're going to be adding some names in the next week or so, but I am introducing some new content. Rahul Mohinder here is also, he's the creator of the RMO, the famous RMO indicator that's on Metastock, and he's a regular contributor to CNBC. Don Kaufman's an options specialist. He spent many years with Thinkorswim, but he's bringing some great options content your way. And I wanted to share with you 3 special packages we've put together here. We've got our standard ticket that gets you attendance to every single session. It gives you a DVD of my fresh outlook for 2017, some great trade ideas as we move through the fall and into next year. And we've put together, or we've come to an agreement with the hotel to get you a special rate on the room. And I believe what we're looking at is a $99 a night room at Four Seasons, which is incredible. It's an absolutely beautiful hotel. The day trader package here gets you the attendance to every session, gets you premier seating, special seating at the event. You get to join us for a private cocktail reception with all the speakers, and you get a recording of the entire event along with that special rate at the hotel. And my personal favorite, we've worked very hard to put this package together, the X2 package. I think it's the best deal. You get to bring a friend. So really, if you share the cost would be about $750 each. You get to bring a friend. Both of you get to attend every session. You get premier seating. the cocktail reception with the speakers, the recording of the event, and your hotel room is included, which is incredible. The Four Seasons Hotel is beautiful. It's going to be a fantastic event. I really hope you can join us. Now, we do have a limited number of rooms by the hotel here, so they're going to go pretty quick. The link for this is tradingwinds.com/Vegas. Hope you can join us November 19th and 20th. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.